Hey everybody, I wanted to give you some information in a tutorial about how to use our Cleanse, Correct, Protect set. So in that set, you will have our double botanical face wash, and I'll tell you a little bit about that in a minute. You have our sunscreen, our Invisiblock sunscreen gel, our night cream, and our day cream. So let's talk about each one of these. So let's start with the actually let's start with the face wash, because that's probably what you'd start with first, right? Is using some face wash and getting nice and clean. So I just want to make sure that I'm giving you all the right information. So here we go. So our double botanical cleanser has some really interesting things in it. So it's got C3C, CSEA, C3C, the letter C, which is an exclusive blend of sea whip extract, japonica juice, and raffinose, which is known to moisturize the skin. It's also got coconut-derived surfactants, glycerin, rosemary leaf oil, niacinamide, and clary sage oil. So what you're going to do, and I'm going to do this for you, take these off. I have my contacts in, so I have to be a little bit careful, is I usually just shake it up a little bit. I pour 2 or 3, 4 or 5, depending on if I'm just doing my face. So I'm going to just do my face. And you're really going to put it on dry skin, because what it's going to do is going to take off any makeup. As you notice, I just went over my eyelids. It's that gentle. It will take off your makeup. It's oil-based, so it's going to remove all those oils from your skin. And then you're going to add water, and I just have a wet face cloth. So you're going to add water, and it's going to become water-based and wash all of that off. So let me just do that. And I love the fact that, like, when you do this, if I had a white face cloth, you would notice that there's like none of the makeup ends up on the face cloth. It would just wash right out. So let me just put this over here, grab my towel, dry my face a little bit. Okay, so super soft feeling, really light. I love this. This is also great, like if you want to shave your underarms, men, you want to shave your face, instead of using a shaving cream, this really helps the hairs to stand up and you get a nice close shave. So that's like the first step. So if it's during the day, you're going to take 1 or 2 pumps of the day cream and you're just going to put it on. It's nice and light. Most of the time you don't even know that it's there. It's got lots of moisturization in there. Let me put my glasses back on. I'll tell you a little bit about this one. So this one has, oops, that's the night cream on the back side of the, let me just put this over here, back side of the face wash. So what makes this so special? Okay, so what it is it's the day cream that combines natural and proven ingredients with innovative breakthroughs like our exclusive patented 6-12-73. So what does that mean? So SIG is short for Signum Biosciences, and 1273 meaning that it took 1,273 times for them to get this molecule right, and a proprietary Sal-14 to target the environmental factors that can lead to the signs of aging. So it's sheer, it's lightweight, it's clinically tested formula, is specifically created for daytime use, making it the perfect complement to our night cream, which we'll talk about in just a few minutes. So what it does, so it addresses every sign of aging. It acts as a powerful antioxidant to help maintain a healthy looking skin. It boosts the natural skin renewal process to reveal younger looking skin. mimics the skin's natural properties to diminish the signs of aging, and binds moisture to the skin for long-lasting, lightweight hydration. It helps to fight the appearances of fine lines, wrinkles, discoloration, uneven skin tones, enlarged pores, sagging skin, and it's perfect for use on the skin, the décolletage, the neck, and the backs of your hands. And it's also dermatology tested. Now, it's also vegan. So um, that it would be most of your daytime routine. Now, you're going to say, why are you going to put a moisturizer over top of a moisturizer? Well, our sunscreen gel actually not only does it moisturize, it's got a couple of other grades. So just a couple times I should have showed you the day cream, but I just put that on right over top. And what this does is it not only protects you from all of the damage that the sun's rays can do, but it also protects you from the blue rays of all of our electronic devices, which, by the way, are more damaging than the sun's rays. So blue rays go deeper into the skin, they damage more. Super lightweight. It also has a blurring technology to it, which is fabulous, especially when you're on Zoom all the time. And let me tell you a little bit more about this. So the HIQ Invisiblock has an SPF of 40. It's a gel, it's broad spectrum. And what it does is it's powered by environmentally friendly SPF activities, protects against the sun's UVA and UVB rays. Also features our proprietary EcoVeil blend, which protects against HEV and digital blue rays from smartphones, computers, TVs, etc., and acts as a natural barrier against the skin's irritant and environmental aggressors, including like pollen, which is really, bad these days. It helps to calm and soothe the skin. So again, if you guys have used something other than our face wash to wash your face, to shave your face, and it leaves it irritating, you can use the Invisiblock sunscreen, which will help to soothe that, as well as give you all that protection and moisture. It's also ideal for all skin types. It's non-condemnogenic, and I dermatologically tested, also vegan, which I know these days is so important to so many people. All right, and then so the last piece of that set, I'm not going to actually put it on because I just put everything else on, but you would use the double botanical face wash again, and then you'd put 2 or 3 pumps of the night cream. You're going to put that on just like I put the day cream on. Only this is a treatment, so it's mask-like, so it's going to tighten and tone. It's not like a charcoal mask or one of those colored masks where you go like, I wouldn't want to be seen in public. If I had it on, you would not even notice. I would look exactly the way that I do now. The really cool thing, though, is that it's sealing in all the moisture. We lose about 80% of our moisture as we sleep overnight. Think about it. We're not drinking, we're not hydrating, and so all of that is coming out. And so let me tell you a little bit more about this, because this is amazing. I love how nice and tight it feels, but when you wash it off in the morning, your face feels absolutely phenomenal. So what it does, it contains, it's packed with active ingredients. Like, it's crazy how much is in it. But it transforms tired looking skin. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It instantly tightens and firms the skin's appearance. It addresses existing and future signs of aging. It works to remove skin drying urban stressors accumulated during the day, improves skin's clarity and radiance, and provides a smoother skin texture. It gently adheres to the skin, helping ensure maximum delivery of the key ingredients. It also helps to fight the appearance of discoloration, enlarged pores, sagging skin. It's perfect for your face, your neck, the décolletage, and your hands. Ideal for all skin types. Again, non-condemnogenic and dermatology tested. Also vegan. So the key ingredients are the TC3 Armor, which is an exclusive blend that helps to remove the urban stresses. So it's like taking the trash out overnight. Sometimes when you first start using it, it might feel tacky and you might not like that. Well, trust me, you are going to love that when you realize that all that tackiness is all the pollution that it has removed and is trapped inside the product so that you can then wash it off in the morning. So if it's tacky, all that stuff that's inside of it now, inside that was inside your skin. So be grateful that it's tacky and it's getting it out. Once it's removed all of that, it'll be nice and smooth and dry, and like you'll love the way that it feels. So that is our Cleanse, Correct, Protect.